Hi, Kyle from J.Racenstein. Today we're talking about Triumph blades. Now there's two types of blades. There's stainless steel and there's carbon. The big difference is that the stainless steel won't rust and the carbon will. Now the big benefit of the carbon is that it's going to be harder material and it's going to help during those construction cleanups, those tough jobs where you've got a lot of debris on the glass, might be a little bit hard to get off. Carbon will not be prone to chipping or cracking like the stainless steel might be. The problem with the carbon is that because it rusts, it might only last you about a day. So we do recommend removing the carbon blade from your scraper at the end of the day, so that way should it corrode, it doesn't corrode inside your scraper and clog it up or lock it up and potentially having to replace the whole thing. Then the stainless steel is going to last a lot longer than the carbon, but won't be quite as rigid. So it might crack or chip on a job we would want to use the carbon instead, like a construction cleanup or something a little bit more hardy. Now the benefit of the stainless steel is it doesn't rust, so it lasts much longer than the carbon. So if you're going for regular route, regular cleaning, you might have a little bit something on there, but nothing too crazy. Then use the stainless steel. It'll last a lot longer. You won't have to worry about it corroding and locking up your scraper. Now the stainless steel has two thicknesses. It's got a 0.15 millimeter and a 0.2 millimeter. Now the standard is the 0.15. Most people are going to use that. It's going to be much more popular than the 0.2. Now, the 0.2 is a little bit thicker, so it won't bend, it won't give as much, it won't be quite as prone to chipping, but won't be nearly as strong as the carbon.